noches, welcome back again to another YouTube video. Today will be the start of the series of breaking down exactly how I trade, which is gonna be called Breakdown Analysis Tuesdays, because on Tuesdays the Tuesday, Breakdown Tuesday. So yeah, I'm gonna be explaining exactly how I trade everything, and I'm gonna be teaching a little bit more and more as I go learning. I will be telling you guys everything, and as well showing you guys exactly how I might take my trades and everything, what I look at, for you guys to be able to help yourself and as well apply on your trading. But today we're gonna be talking about the US30 trade that I took and hit take profit around here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get in. Starting from daily, the first thing I saw here on daily, right? We're now on an uptrend. As you guys can see, we're trending up. We're making higher highs and higher lows. Not necessarily breaking the lows, neither structure. So this is indicating that we're on an uptrend, as well as here. If you guys can see, we literally broke this area of resistance, as well as this one right here. So I seen that it broke this level of resistance, or this zone, this area of resistance, and all it did was it retested before continuing to go up, right? Before it broke, if we go back on replay, you guys can see that for the continuing days or weeks, right, price been making higher highs and higher lows. But it came to a week where price was getting weak on these candlesticks, and here comes the bearish, right, engulfing, giving us momentum, meaning that price could have came down. You guys can see that this level of resistance was a strong level of resistance, right? It didn't break. It gave us a gapper too. If you guys know the gapper, there's 3 different ways from the level of resistance, which I will show you guys. Let me go ahead and I'll show you guys here, right? Okay, so literally we have a level of resistance, right, or support, and price will either come up to our resistance and bounce from it. It will either come back up, fake it, and come back down, or it will either give us a gapper, which that's what we saw, and continue to go down, right? So we have 3 different ways price can look at resistance and react from it, which a lot of people might enter aggressively on this breakout and get stopped out, right? Let's say, oh my goodness, look at this going crazy. Let's say that they're tape profit. Whoa, I don't know what's going on. Let's say that they're, oh, okay, I see. Let's say that they're tape profit. Let's say that the tape profit, oh my goodness, let's say that the tape profit will be up here, right? And their stop loss will be around here. Then they obviously would have got stopped out because they didn't wait for that confirmation, which this is really bad, because it looks like, okay, it might continue to go up because it broke this area I've been holding from, but in reality it was just a fake out. So you guys need to watch out for those and know the ways price can react on a level of resistance. Okay, so I have a bad mouse, it's not working currently. Still don't have my setup fully on my monitor, so this is my recording here, but this is gonna be our first technical Tuesday, y'all. But anyways, you guys can see that this level was a level that it wasn't breaking, right? As you guys know, I love psychological levels, really help a lot, and those are levels where price tend to react from and reject or bounce, or create highs from. So it's really important. Just know the psychological levels are important. I would, you know, explain it a little bit more later. But you guys can see that 29.0 was the level. Price wasn't breaking. It didn't never break. It never got back up to this high. So that could have been a sign price, you know, was gonna continue to go down, and literally this would have been a position, right? I'm not entering on daily, but I'm giving you guys a little bit of a look at, right? Would I went for more than 1 or 2 or 1 or 3? It don't matter, but let's say we were going for 1 or 2. Let's see how this would have worked. Okay, you guys can see that our take profit. Our take profit was hit, right? This area was a strong level. It didn't got up. Right then, our bearish comes in, right? Bearish momentum, almost engulfing previous price. So that could have give you an idea that price was weak, right? Bullishness was weak, and for the following days, price fell, right? So that was an important level of resistance, and I saw that when I was gonna put in my trade. I saw that it broke this level of resistance, used it as support, and continued to go up. So I knew that we had a chance to continue to go up and look for some trades for the upside, right? So I usually label my daily a level. Now after I see that price is reject, creating higher highs and higher lows, I'm over here putting my daily levels, which this was one of them, and this was the other one, which I knew that price was gonna trade in between this range. So after price, after I saw that price, I'm sorry you guys, I made a video. I was making this video and for some reason it never recorded, so now I had to start all over again, and I sound a little different. But after I seen that price came back down, didn't break the psychological area 29,600, 500, 700. You guys can see here that it gave us a wick rejection down here, right? Came back up and never came back down, creating higher lows, right? And then just multiple rejection points in this area gave me ideas that it would have continued to go up. So once I see that price is rejecting this level of support, I was looking for trading opportunities around here, even though you guys can see that it was getting weak in this level of resistance. But you guys can see that we're still on an uptrend, so you guys always have to respect the trend. Now if we go down to H4, I entered around here, right? The first thing I see was that price, you know, created a level of support here. So once I see that price created a level of support, right, it wasn't breaking. You guys can see here level of support, rejection, engulfment, right? Price now came back again, rejected, right? Level 29,800, which is a psychological level. You guys can see that price is not breaking this area, it's only rejecting, right? You guys can also see that bearish is not, you know, it didn't conquer this area, right? Basically meaning that there was more bullish momentum than bearish. So we have more buyers than sellers, obviously. So price came back down. I see that it did reject, came back up, created sort of like an equal high, and came back down. But after it came back down, it never made it below this previous low. So that gave me an idea that price could have probably continued to go up, which it did. And you guys as well see these weak candlesticks, right, giving us an indication that price was weak around this level of support. So once I saw that I was weak around this level of support, and as well it was holding, right, it was holding, meaning that these candlesticks wasn't breaking this level of support, then I knew that we had a possibility to go up. So going into my hour one, you guys can see that we got powerful candlesticks right after the price coming back in, giving us a really weak, after giving us a really weak bearish candlestick there, right? It didn't work out for the bears, and both came in both previous price, right? And this candlestick right here gave me an idea the price was going to continue to go up, right? Gave me more confluence after seeing that level 29.50 wasn't broken, which if you guys go back has been a level where price been reacting on previous price action. Then it kind of gave me a clue that price would have continued to go up. So when I'm looking for my entries, the first thing I see is that price did reject, like I said, going into minute 30. After seeing that price was rejecting this level, right? This level right here, I'm so sorry. After seeing that price was rejecting this level, I saw that it was slowly climbing up. And especially if you guys go on hour 1, I'm so sorry. After you guys go on I think this is how you do it. Okay. After price goes on hour 1, right, I can see that they're rejecting in gold. So this gave me an idea to enter my trade once I saw the volume of this candlestick going up. So my entry was about, I remember it was 29,936. My stop loss was below previous candlestick, previous low, which was, I consider this my previous candlestick low. And my take profit was around here. Yes, it was around this level of support, of resistance. It was around this level of resistance. So my target was on this level of resistance because I knew that price was probably going to leave some wicks behind before continuing to the upside, which it did. And I put my my break even around here when I saw the price was close into hitting our take profit. So basically the only thing I looked at was this trade was the wicks, the wick rejection, the area which in price wasn't breaking, and as well psychological levels, which is really important. As you guys know, those are levels price some cannot, okay, psychological levels are levels I consider price not breaking, or levels that price reject, or levels price react on. Okay, so after I see that these psychological levels weren't broken, then I was looking for positions, and we were successful enough to get in this trade. But as you guys know, I'm still working on the way I talk when it comes to these videos and everything. I'm trying to master more the way I talk and everything, and the way I explain it. But you guys don't know, I do have a Telegram group, which is Infinity and Riches, which I represent, and I'm helping and I'm motivating those that do want to get better in trading. But if you guys do want to join below, go ahead and go in the link in the bio or in the description. You guys will see my Instagram, I'll leave it below. If you guys have any questions, make sure to DM me, like and comment if you guys like this video. If you guys didn't, then I don't know what to tell you. But it was nice explaining this technical Tuesday, and we out.